Hi, and welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Waterville, Michigan. Today we are going to show you a new 4-star 2+2 head-to-head. It's brand new, it's a 2023. So we're going to start here in the dressing room. The overall length of the trailer is 26 feet. It's 8 foot tall. The dressing room is standard at 4 feet. There's 4 saddle racks on a removable post. The bulkhead wall has carpet and extra bridle hooks. There is a hanging clothes rod in the gooseneck, and then a bulkhead door here into the horse area. The roof in this trailer is fully insulated, horse area and dressing room. So we're going to start here. There are 2 separate areas for the horses. They are both 11 feet in length. So the horses are going to load here, head to head, and then there are stud dividers, or the stud doors right here, and this is all fully removable. This makes the trailer really versatile because you can load 4 horses or 3 or 2. This divider, this can be moved. You can haul a golf cart. Here in the front or here in the back, we have tie downs to haul a golf cart. So you could do front or back. And so this is removable, it makes it really easy. There are fans, a total of 4 fans. Along with feed bags, and at each head there's a drop down door with the bars. The floor is the worm floor, that stands for We Eliminate Rubber Mats. So it's a permanent poured floor. There are no mats to pull. It makes it very nice when you have this length of a trailer. So even though this trailer at 26 foot, that's still a lot shorter than your traditional head-to-head. So it's going to make it a lot nicer to get into tighter spaces. The Quiet Ride is standard now in 4-star, along with the Easy Lift ramp at the rear and the side. And then here we're going to show you this divider. So there's also the lower removable divider, but this has the option to make the divider to roll over to the side. And then I'll demonstrate that. It makes it really easy to just click down here and then push right to the side, and you can see the mechanism here that it moves on. So here we go. Just very easy. You can move it to the side, gets it out of the way. Just like that. Now coming back up to the front here, we can take this divider to load. Slide that in there, and then you have all the space to load. So this was one of our newer trailers, the 2+2. Also has the slats on the bottom. And again, this is 26 feet in length, and it's 8 foot tall. We hope you enjoyed this video today. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 269-463-6121, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.